Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best Phat Scooters is probably one of the most exhilarating and head-turning ways to navigate your urban landscape or cruise along scenic routes, offering an unmatched blend of robust power, comfortable fat tire stability, and undeniable style that transforms every ride into an adventure, making you rethink what personal electric transportation can truly be. Number 5. Hiboy S2 Pro Electric Scooter. This electric scooter boasts a powerful 500W motor, letting you reach speeds up to 19 miles per hour. Its high-capacity battery offers an impressive range of up to 25.6 miles on a single charge. Equipped with 10-inch solid tires and rear dual shock absorbers, it ensures maximum comfort. You'll glide smoothly even over rough surfaces and speed bumps. Safety is paramount with this e-scooter. It features ultra-bright headlights with a 15-meter range and a double braking system for reliable stops. Perfect for your daily commute or travel, it easily collapses for storage in car trunks and compact spaces. An extra detachable seat is also available for enhanced comfort. Connect it to the Hiboy S2 app to lock your scooter and customize its acceleration and braking responses. This gives you personalized control over your ride. This scooter is built with quality in mind, offering powerful performance for your commuting or outdoor adventures. It also comes with a comprehensive assurance plan for different parts. What we like. This scooter boasts a powerful motor and an impressive range, making long commutes a breeze. Its smart app connectivity allows for personalized settings and security. If you are a daily commuter looking for speed, distance, and smart features, this is your top pick. What people say. Number 4. Hurtle Renegade Kick Scooter. Introducing the Hurtle Renegade, a versatile two-wheel folding scooter designed for all ages. It features an adjustable T-bar handlebar and a durable alloy anti-slip deck, perfect for everyone from kids to adults. This scooter boasts a durable, lightweight alloy deck, providing an extended standing area for enhanced performance. It supports riders up to 220 pounds, making it ideal for ages 8 and above. Its innovative folding design and foldable handles ensure convenient storage and transport. A handy carrying strap is also included, making it effortlessly portable wherever you go. Enjoy exceptionally smooth rides, even on uneven surfaces, thanks to its durable wheels. It also features a mudguard front wheel and a non-slip deck for enhanced stability and safety. Maneuvering is effortless with its advanced design, allowing you to steer smoothly in any direction. For safe and reliable stops, it's equipped with a PU rear-wheel foot brake featuring reflection. The T-bar handlebar is easily adjustable to 3 different heights, ensuring a comfortable fit for various riders. An anodized clamped collar provides extra strength and durability for years of use. What we like. This model features a lightweight yet durable alloy deck, making it easy to carry. Its convenient folding design and adjustable handlebar ensure it's suitable for various riders and easy storage. If you need a versatile and portable scooter for different family members or travel, this one is a fantastic choice. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source content. Therefore, no points could be extracted as per the instructions. Number 3. Hurtle Renegade Kick Scooter. This scooter features a robust yet light alloy deck, providing an extended standing area for enhanced performance. It's built to support riders up to 220 pounds, making it ideal for ages 8 and up. Its innovative folding design and foldable handles ensure convenient storage and transport. A handy carrying strap is also included, making it effortless to take with you anywhere. Equipped with durable wheels, it guarantees exceptionally smooth rides, even on uneven terrain. A front mudguard and non-slip deck further enhance stability and comfort. Experience easy maneuvering and smooth steering in any direction with its advanced design. Plus, its PU rear-wheel foot brake with reflection ensures safe and reliable stops every time. The T-bar handlebar offers 3 adjustable heights, 33, 36.2, and 39 inches, ensuring a perfect fit for various riders. It also features a durable anodized clamp collar for added strength and security. What we like. Experience a consistently smooth ride thanks to its durable wheels and advanced design. It offers effortless control, making it easy for anyone to master. If you prioritize a comfortable and simple riding experience for casual fun, this model is ideal. What people say. No reviews available from the provided source to extract points. The source JSON was empty, therefore no product review points could be quoted. Number 2. LeeHanTon sweatsuits for women. Discover the perfect blend of comfort and style with this versatile set. It's designed to make you feel great, whether you're relaxing or on the go. Crafted from soft velour, this outfit offers a luxurious feel against your skin. You'll love its smooth texture and cozy warmth. This set includes a stylish zip velour hoodie and matching jogger pants. They provide a coordinated look that's both fashionable and practical. Ideal for your workout sessions, this suit allows for full range of motion. It's comfortable enough to keep you focused on your fitness goals. Beyond the gym, this makes an excellent sports suit for everyday wear. Enjoy its relaxed fit and effortless style for any casual occasion. What we like. This set offers ultimate comfort with its soft velour fabric, perfect for lounging or light activities. Its stylish zip hoodie and matching joggers create a coordinated look. If you're seeking cozy, fashionable loungewear or a casual outfit, this is an excellent option. What people say. Number 1. SereneLife Kick Scooter, 2-wheel folding graffiti. Discover the perfect ride for everyone, from kids to adults. This versatile scooter is designed for riders aged 7 and up, supporting weights of up to 220 pounds. Experience superior durability with its lightweight yet strong alloy deck. It provides an extended standing area for enhanced performance, ensuring a stable and secure ride indoors or out. Its innovative folding mechanism and foldable handles make storage and transport a breeze. Plus, it comes with a convenient carrying strap, so you can take it wherever your adventures lead. Enjoy incredibly smooth rides, even on uneven surfaces, thanks to its durable 8-inch wheels and ABC 7 bearings. Safety features like a mudguard, non-slip deck, and rear flashing light keep you secure. Maneuver with ease and confidence, steering smoothly in any direction. Its PU rear-wheel foot brake with reflection ensures you can stop safely and smoothly every time. Tailor your ride to perfection with the adjustable T-bar handlebar. It offers 3 height settings, ensuring a comfortable and ergonomic experience for riders of all sizes. What we like. Equipped with larger 8-inch wheels and ABC 7 bearings, this scooter provides an exceptionally smooth ride. The added rear flashing light significantly enhances safety during evening rides. If you value enhanced safety features and a unique, eye-catching design for urban cruising, this is the one for you. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.